A $8 grinder versus a $30 grinder. Both break up bud, but only one won't screw you over after a month. Let's break it down. On the surface, all grinders do the same thing, right? Turn flour into fluff. But if you've ever had one jam, dull, or straight up fall apart, you already know the cheap ones don't last. Cheap grinders are often made with aluminum alloys that flake or bend, but these are like plastic ones. Usually, cheap grinders are also made from aluminum. Some even leave metal savings on your bud. Higher end grinders use aircraft grade aluminum or stainless steel. Harder to damage, smoother rotation, and way longer lifespan. Cheap grinder equals uneven pieces, equals bad airflow in your bowl or joint. Expensive grinders, fluffier, more even grind, better burns, better flavors, and less waste. Pricier model often comes with stronger magnets, better pollen catchers, and smoother teeth design. That's not a gimmick. It means your fingers don't get sore and your bud gets treated right. Take a look at this. Look at the teeth. This one's a plastic grinder, and it may even leave plastic residue on your flour. They might even break, they jam. And take a look at these. Look at the sturdy stainless teeth. These are perfect for even cuts and smoother grinds. So is there really a difference? 100%. If you grind once a week, go cheap. If you use it daily, invest once and enjoy the results every time. If you want me to compare specific grinders brand or do a grind test, comment below and I'll line it up. Thank you for watching the video. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. We'll be bringing more videos about smoking accessories, smoking culture, glass, grinders, and a lot of different things here in Lotus Smoke and Gift Shop channel.